let's learn about Dakuten, which are special marks in Japanese writing that change how some letters sound. In Hiragana and Katakana, you may have noticed a small two-stroke mark in the top right corner of some characters. This is called Dakuten, and it changes the way the character is pronounced. For example, ka changes to ga. Ki changes to gi. Ku changes to gu. Ke changes to ge. Ko changes to go. Did you hear the difference? The sound becomes voiced, meaning the vocal cords vibrate when you say it. Now, let's see another example. The T-row sounds also change with Dakuten. Ta changes to da. Chi changes to ji. Tsu changes to zu. Te changes to de. Do changes to tho. Next, we have another special mark called handakuten. It looks like a small circle and is only used for the H-row sounds, turning them into P sounds. Ha changes to pa. Hi changes to pa. Hu changes to pu. He changes to pe. Ho changes to po. This is why Japanese words like pan, meaning bread, have a P sound. By learning Dakuten and Handakuten, you can improve your Japanese pronunciation and reading skills. Try practicing by saying these words out loud and listening carefully to the difference. Keep up the great work and see you next time.